Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to recreate the makeup look of Jacqueline Fernandez's newly launched song Pani Pani. This is the very easy and simple makeup look and anybody can easily create it. I used only drugstore products to create this look. So without any delay, let's move towards the video and see how I created this look. First of all, I'm starting with skincare and here I'm using Plum Green Tea Face Mist. This is one of my favorite product and I really like the smell of this face mist. After this, I'm going to moisturize my face with Baby Johnson's Baby Cream. And this is a very affordable and easily available moisturizer and it is suitable for all skin types. You can easily get it at any cosmetic store as well as any medical store also. I'm dotting it all over my face and then I will use my fingers to blend the products in my skin. After moisturizer, I'm going to apply a primer and the primer is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. I will concentrate on those areas where I crease the most, that is my forehead, bridge of my nose and the corner of my mouth. I am using my fingers only to blend the product in my skin. After the primer, I will let it sit on my skin for a few minutes and in the meanwhile I will fill my eyebrows. For this video, I filled my eyebrows off camera just to save time. After the eyebrows, I will use a concealer. This is the concealer from Lakme Absolute and my shade is 01. I will apply the concealer around my eyebrows and on my lid area and also under my eyes. And I will use a flat brush to blend the concealer in my skin. I am blending the concealer in an upward direction so that I would get a lifted effect as I have hooded and droopy eyes. After blending the concealer, I am setting it with a compact powder. The compact powder is from Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation and my shade is 01 Ivory Cream. For my foundation, I am using Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation and my shade is W120 Warm Cream. I'm using the same compact to set my foundation which I used to set the concealer, and I'm tapping the powder puff on my face instead of rubbing it, because if I will rub it, it will tend to take out the foundation off my face. Now to seal my base makeup completely, I'm using Faces Canada Ultime Pro Makeup Fixer all over my face and neck area. Now I'm again switching towards my eye makeup, and for my eye makeup I'm going to use these two eyeshadows which you can see on the screen, and I will use this flat brush to deposit the eyeshadow on my eyelid area. But first of all, I'm going to use this kajal to create a base for my eyeshadow. I am initially lining my upper lash line with this kajal pencil. This is from Color Bar. You can use any kajal pencil, and you don't have to be perfect in doing so. As you can see, I am very roughly lining my upper lash line, and after I am satisfied with the line, I will smudge this kajal with a bullet brush. With this pencil brush, I am smudging the kajal on its place, and also I am taking it little bit towards my lid area so that when I will apply the eyeshadow, I could get an ombre effect. Now I'm taking the dark brown eyeshadow with this flat brush, and in the tapping motion I'm applying that dark brown eyeshadow all over my lid area, and I'm also covering the upper lash line of my eyes. And as I told you, I would get the ombre effect after applying the kajal, which you can see here on the screen clearly. After applying the dark brown eyeshadow, I'm taking that nude brown eyeshadow on a blending brush, and I'm blending the line which is created by the dark brown eyeshadow. Here I am again applying the dark brown eyeshadow very lightly on my lid area, and I will blend the edges with a blending brush using very lighter strokes. On my lower waterline, I will apply a thin line of kajal, and then I will smoke my lower waterline with dark brown eyeshadow, because this is what I understood after watching the Pani Pani video and seeing Jacqueline Fernandez pic. I am using a pencil brush to apply the dark brown eyeshadow just below the kajal, and then I will use a bullet brush or a pencil brush to smoke this eyeshadow. To line my upper lash line, I am using this pen eyeliner from Colorbar Cosmetics, and I am lining my upper lash line very thinly. Jacqueline's eyes inner corners were also extended towards outside, so I am also here extending my inner corner by making a kind of V shape. To complete my eye makeup, I am using a mascara from Maybelline. It is their Hyper Curl mascara, and my mascara is the washable version. Its waterproof version is also available, and both of them falls in the affordable category. You can choose any of them as per your choice. After my eye makeup is done, I'm again coming towards my face makeup, and for my contouring highlighter and blusher, I'm using this face palette from Sugar Cosmetics. The shade is 01 Subtle Summit. With this contouring shade, I will contour the hollow of my cheeks, my jawline, and my chin area. I am skipping my forehead and my nose because I have a very small forehead and my nose is also slim, so I don't find the need to contour them. Jacqueline is wearing a kind of light peachy shade, which is exactly the shade available in the Sugar Face palette. So I am applying this shade all over the apple of my cheeks and then I will blend it towards my hairline. I am highlighting the usual areas of my face, that is my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, cupid's bow, chin area and my forehead, and I will also apply the highlighter under my brows and in the inner corner of my eyes. For my lipstick, I am mixing two shades. One is from Lakme Absolute Matte Revolution Lip Color in the shade Vintage Rust, and second one is from Faces Canada Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade Sunset. When I saw Jacqueline's pic, somewhere I felt that she was wearing a brown nude kind of shade, and in some pics it seems that she was wearing a coral nude kind of shade. So I'm mixing both of them together to get my perfect shade. So this is the final look, guys. I wore my ear stud as my mang tika, and for the dots on my face I used black sticker bindi. So please let me know how much you like my recreation, how much you will rate my recreation. Please drop a beautiful comment if you like this video, and also don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new on my channel and if you like my content, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well. To see more life updates and the behind the scenes, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. I will give the Insta handle in the description box as well as on the screen. Till then, stay safe, stay inside, wear your mask whenever you are heading out. Bye bye, take care of yourself and take care of your family. Love you all. Bye bye.